Hi folks. Now, if you're, this is one of the videos for food rationing for 72 hours. Okay, that's 3 days. Simple as pie. And I'm going to use my own notes and Barbara, this one right here. You probably won't find it because it's out of print. Okay? Suggested supermarket, you can buy it at the supermarket, mixes. Okay, you can buy Pop-Tarts. How many you want for a 72-hour kit? Well, you have 2 packs of Pop-Tarts, or well, 6 packs. Let me look at my note card. 6 packs of, that's 2 boxes of Pop-Tarts, because I think it's 3 each in each box. And calorie count for each packet is about 420. Sounds good. And you could buy the generic granola bar, that's not too hard. And you want about 3 bars or packet of granola bars. Really easy. You could buy your own or make your own cereal bar. One of these days I'll give out the recipe, but you only get about 180 calories. Okay, and then a cup of soup. Everybody knows what a cup of soup, Nissan, whatever. I showed a lot of people those things. And you need 3 of those. Okay, and some kind of canned meal. Now, myself, I like baked beans, whatchamacallit, pork and beans, baked beans, any kind of bean you like, 3 cans of that. Sunflower seeds. I always tell people pack 3 packages of sunflower seeds. And also on the pork and beans, you could substitute SpaghettiOs and Vienna sausages. That's a lot easier to carry. And let's see. You ever get old, can't see things? Hey, nabbit. If you want a hot cereal, yeah, instant oatmeal. I always buy quick oats and I put it in little bags and add a couple tablespoons of Nido, Nido, and I get hot oatmeal. I could add raisins, cinnamon spice. I could add the stuff from a regular instant oatmeal packet to it and make my own little bags and stuff. So you need about 3 of those for 3 breakfasts. If you have box milk, you don't need water, but if it's powdered milk, yes. And you want to have enough for a quart or 3 days. I always carry Nido, so I don't have to worry about that. Some kind of fruit. If you get one of those little plastic fruit cups, carry 3 of those. Peanuts. I always get the 9-ounce packets. That sounds pretty good. Like I said, folks, you want to keep it easy to carry for 3 days. This is only for 3 days use. It's not supposed to be the wonder can like FEMA says. This is for 3 days, like a long weekend. Okay, and then you get cereal bars, ramen noodles again, pudding, stuff like that. Now, myself, I always like to have some kind of canned food like Vienna sausages. You can't go wrong with SpaghettiO and Vienna sausages fed more people and disasters than anything else. Okay? So that's very easy. That's a simple, easy shopping list. Okay, and now they have these packages of rice and peas or Kiowa. I like Kiowa. Or is it Winona? One of those two. But those are boiling bags. You can put them in hot water, heat it up, soften it. You can put it in a microwave. That's even better. That's a carbohydrate component. You have 3 of those, you have a nice hot meal. You want 2 cold meals and 1 hot meal. Simple as pie. It's not rocket science, folks. And you got to make sure it's easy to eat. Little water, little to no water, easy to heat up, easy to eat. If you have a lot of bar food, that's even great. But remember, this is only for 3 days use. Or you could do, if you have money, buy about a bunch of MREs. Okay, but it's not going to be tasty and might clog you up too because I'm going to eat a lot of MREs. So if you think about it, 3 days. You don't want 3 meals of MREs all the time. Nah. And two, you have to have the proper cookware. You want a canteen cup. This is what I always stress. For a quick boiler for hot water. You want a thermos to store the hot water for other drinks. Second, if you do like instant coffee, I get a whole Ziploc bag of instant coffee, self-contained packages, 78 cents. Get a bunch of those, put it in there for 3 days. You get about 15 packs. And make sure you add creamers and sugars and stuff. Not rocket science, folks. Easy. Okay? You could use Nido as a creamer. Everybody makes it too hard or too fancy or too, outer spacey or jumping around in jumpsuits. If I see another prepper jump around in the jumpsuits, I'm going to shoot him. Okay, so you got your 72-hour food kit. You got your canteen cup. A World War II mess kit is not designed to cook food. Reheat food and whole food, yes, but cooking food I don't recommend. And I have old videos that shows you that. I'll probably do another video because even I'm talking to you plain and simple, you won't get it. And you want some kind of cooking pot. All right? That's your kettle. That's what you hold for hot water. It's simple stuff. Okay? It's like going camping for 3 days. That's all you need to take. You got to use your head, folks. If you want to eat a freeze-dried meal, fine. I will make it the dinner. Okay? Or as an emergency ration. Now me, if I go camping, I'll take fresh food for the first day. Second day, I'll take a freeze-dry or MRE meal. Third day, I eat out whatever's left over. Simple as pie, not rocket science. You could do it. It's not very hard. Of course, Uncle Han has 40 years of experience over you guys' head. And you guys like, huh? And don't forget Fido and little Wolfie or little Doggy. Whoever. Don't forget his chow and water. Okay, folks. I'll catch you there. You have a nice night.